Hey there, Daily Brainers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the stock market with one of the most practical guides out there. How to Make Money in Stocks by William J. O'Neill. This book has transformed the way investors approach the stock market, and we're breaking it down step by step to show you exactly how O'Neill's strategies can work for you. Ready to uncover the secrets of successful investing? Let's get started. The Can Slim System. Let's start with the heart of O'Neill's approach, the Can Slim System. It's a set of 7 key factors that O'Neill believes determine which stocks will skyrocket. Can Slim stands for current earnings, annual earnings growth, new products, services, or management, supply and demand, leader or laggard, institutional sponsorship, market direction. This system helps investors find high-growth stocks that have the potential to make big gains. So, which of these factors do you think is most important for spotting a winner? Drop a comment below and tell us why. The importance of earnings. O'Neill emphasizes that a stock's current earnings are crucial. A company needs to show significant and consistent earnings growth over the past several quarters to be considered a top pick. It's the foundation of success in his method. Have you ever invested in a company based on their earnings reports? How did it turn out for you? Let's chat in the comments. Earnings are often the first sign of success. The role of news and innovations. Next up, O'Neill tells us to look for stocks with new products or services, or a company that's undergone a management change. Innovation is the key to future growth. In this section, he discusses how certain companies explode in value when they introduce something new or disruptive. Ever been blown away by a company's new product or breakthrough? Share an example in the comments. It's fascinating to see how innovation can drive stock prices. Supply and demand. Now, let's talk about the power of supply and demand. O'Neill explains that a stock can't rise if there's too much supply or not enough demand. That's why it's critical to monitor the volume of shares traded. When a stock's price moves on high volume, it's a sign that institutions are buying in, which pushes prices higher. Have you ever noticed a stock's price moving rapidly? What was the trading volume like? Keep an eye on this next time you're watching the market. Leader versus laggard. Another game-changing tip from O'Neill is focusing on leaders in the market. Don't just pick random stocks, pick the ones that are leading the market. He argues that lagging stocks will continue to underperform. Focus on the companies that are showing strong relative strength, meaning they're outperforming the overall market. Ever invested in a stock that was a market leader at the time? How did it perform? Tell us about your experiences with top performers. Institutional sponsorship. Now let's talk about the power of institutional sponsorship. O'Neill stresses that institutional investors, like mutual funds and pension funds, are a big indicator of a stock's potential. These big players don't just invest in any stock, they research thoroughly. So, when you see institutions backing a stock, it's usually a green flag. Have you ever noticed big institutions buying into a stock before it exploded? Share your thoughts in the comments. This is a huge tip for savvy investors. Market direction. Here's one of O'Neill's final rules. Market direction matters. You can't beat the market. If the general market is down, it's tough to make money, no matter how good your stock pick is. O'Neill stresses that you need to align yourself with the market's overall trend, whether bullish or bearish. Have you ever tried trading against the market trend? How did it go? Sometimes, the market wins, so it's important to know when to follow its lead. The importance of cutting losses. One of the most crucial lessons O'Neill teaches is cutting your losses quickly. Don't let your emotions take control. If a stock drops below a certain point, get out. Holding onto a losing position can quickly drain your portfolio. How do you handle losing trades? Do you cut your losses or hold on hoping for a rebound? Let's talk about how to manage those tough moments in the market. Conclusion: that's a wrap on how to make money in stocks. William O'Neill's strategies are timeless. From the Can Slim system to cutting losses, these principles have guided investors to success for years. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, there's something valuable here for everyone. What's the most important lesson you've learned from this book? Let us know in the comments. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more daily tips and tricks. Thanks for joining us on this financial journey. Daily_Brainer, empowering you, one insight at a time.